Hey, welcome to Milano-Bicocca. We're starting our tour here right from U6, one of the main buildings on campus. And as you can see, a lot of people are graduating, and it's one of the buildings you'll see first when you arrive. So now, let's go inside and take a quick look. Once you step inside U6, you'll start to feel what Bicocca is like. This building is one of the main hubs where most of first-year classes happen. And it's a place where you will find offices for student service, academic support, and info points. So basically, if you need any help with anything, it's a good place to start. So now, let's head upstairs, and I want to show you one of the most helpful places on the building. Come follow me. So here we are on the third floor, and this is the library. It's quite bright and have a lot of space to study. You can find textbooks, computers, group study areas, or just a calm spot to focus. Need a break or a coffee? No problem. Right here in U6, you'll find a cafeteria which serves hot meals, fresh pizza, drinks, and of course coffee. Or if you are in a rush, you'll find vending machines all over the building where you can grab drinks and take a quick espresso like a true Italian. Alright, now we have finished our tour in U6. Now I will pass the phone to Hussein, who will show you other cool parts of campus.
Thanks, Helena. I'm just outside U7, one of the best spots on the campus. This open area with fountains is great for hanging out with friends, especially on sunny days. We are right here in the heart of Bicocca district. From here, you can walk to Bicocca village with the shops and cinema, Teatro Acimpoldi, Hangar Bicocca, a contemporary art museum, and the train station Greco Preli. And just across the street, we are in the student residence. Follow me so I can show you more. As we are in the student residence, this is the 6th floor, one of my favorite spots in the residence. And you can imagine living here, you are always close to classes, events, and everything that's happening in the campus. And this is, let me show you, let's not make noise. I will show you, follow me, how the study area looks like. And let's go. It's so bright, space, spacious. This is where you can get everything done. Just below the study area, this is the terrace where you can take a break, have fresh air, and take some and get some snacks, take a lunch, or everything you want. On the same floor, this is where you can find the living room. This is where you can hang out with friends. This is where you can watch a movie, play games, and do many more things. We are in the 5th floor kitchen. This is the kitchen for students living in the residence. This is where you can cook your own meal and share food with friends and family. Now we are done showing you the residence. Let me hand over the mic to my friend Jerome.
Thank you, Hussein. Here we are at the Science Square, which is one of the main areas of the campus where science, technology, and economics classes happens. The tram runs through here, so getting to and from the campus is super easy. Just a walk away, there is a metro station. So even if you don't live around this area, you can always get to campus very fast. This is the Bicocca Stadium, where students come to run, play sports, join fitness classes. It is a great place to stay active. This marks the end of the campus tour. Bicocca, a place to be. See you soon in September.
Welcome to Bicocca.